In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a schedule in Notion. We're going to build a simple, organized scheduling system that helps you keep track of tasks, classes, or events all in one place. The goal here is to create something that's easy to maintain and easy to view, so you can quickly understand what's coming up and stay on top of your plans. To begin, open Notion and create a new page that will serve as your schedule. Give it a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. This page will act as the main home for your planning system. So keeping it clean and focused will make everything easier to manage as you continue. Next, add a database to the page. This database will hold the items you want to schedule, whether that includes personal tasks, school classes, meetings, or important events. Think of the database as the foundation of your schedule. Each row will represent one item, and from there, you can organize everything in a structured way. After that, add a date field to the database. This is a very important step because it allows each item to be tied to a specific day. Once every task or event has a date, Notion can sort and display your schedule properly. Make sure you assign dates consistently so your calendar stays accurate and useful. Once your date field is in place, create a calendar view. This gives you a visual way to see your schedule, which is especially helpful if you prefer planning by date rather than looking through a list. In calendar format, you can quickly spot busy days, upcoming deadlines, and open space in your week or month. If you'd like a more focused planning layout, add a weekly view as well. This can be useful when you want to concentrate on the next several days without being distracted by the full month. A weekly view often makes it easier to balance workloads and prepare for short-term priorities. If some tasks repeat regularly, such as weekly classes or recurring responsibilities, you can add them manually or use templates to speed up the process. This saves time and helps you avoid forgetting routine items. Just make sure your recurring entries follow the same format as the rest of your schedule so everything stays consistent. Finally, review and update your schedule every day. This is what keeps the system effective. A schedule only helps if it stays current, so take a moment daily to check upcoming items, make adjustments, and add anything new. With that habit in place, your Notion schedule becomes a reliable tool you can actually use every day.